Welcome back to Guitarlele Tutorials. Today, I'll talk about you having your own personalized songbook. The idea is to keep some of the songs handy with you all the time. When you come across a song and you like it, put that song in the songbook. There are multiple ways to do it, but the best I can say is to print the tabs out with lyrics and chords written on it. Keep all the printouts stored in a clear file. Making things the physical way works the best. Don't know why, but I think something to do with our senses. We get to touch it, feel it, you will turn over the pages. Those are another level of satisfaction. The another advantage of having a physical book is that, let's say you are going to jam with someone and you bring the songbook with you. If the other person doesn't know about the arrangement or the song, you can directly show it to him or her to work with. However, based on your lifestyle, you can keep a digital version of your songbook too, like a folder of PDF files on a pen drive or Google Drive, which you can access anywhere and can open up on a computer with a big screen. Or you can print it out if you want to do that. Or maybe in the Guitar Tabs app, you mark your favorites. Whatever the method you choose depends on your choice, but keep that book with you. Practice from that book. Every month or so, update the book. Otherwise, practicing the same thing multiple times will bore you. So, keep refreshing the repertoire. Only advice I would give is to keep no more than 20 songs in it. Go through it in every session. Play whatever you feel like at the moment, and that's it. Once you feel it bores you, replace the song with another one you like. Also, try to keep all the chords what we are learning in this series, so it will give you good opportunity to practice everything we are going through this course. That's it. Hope you are enjoying this series this far and you are at a far better stage than you started off. Hit this video a like if you learned something from this video, and if not subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe for more lessons.